In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to have subpages in Card. If you've ever wanted your Card site to feel like it has multiple pages while still staying lightweight and fast, this is exactly how to do it. We'll use a built-in feature called a section break to create subpages and link to them, so visitors can jump to different parts of your site as if they were separate pages. Start by heading to card.co and opening your dashboard. From there, pick the project you want to work on so it opens in the Card editor. Once you're in the editor, look for the Add button. This is where you can insert new elements into your page. Choose Add, then select Control. Controls are special elements that affect how your site behaves rather than what it looks like. With the control selected, open its type dropdown and switch it to section break. A section break is what tells Card everything that follows belongs to a new, separate section. Think of it as a divider that marks the start of a subpage within your one-page site. Next, give the section break a name. This name is important because it becomes the target you can link to later. Keep it short, unique, and easy to remember. Many people use lowercase words with hyphens like about or pricing to keep things clean and predictable. Avoid spaces or special characters, and make sure each section's name is different so links don't get mixed up. When you're happy with the name, click Done. From this point on, any elements you add below that section break will live on the new subpage. You can design that area just like the rest of your site. Add headings, text, images, contact forms, or anything else you need. The key is that the section break clearly separates this content from what came before it. To let visitors navigate to this subpage, link to the section from a button, a text link, or a navigation element. In the Elements link settings, choose to link to a section and pick the name you set earlier. Now when someone clicks that link, they'll jump straight to your new subpage. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Use clear descriptive names for each section break so linking stays simple. Preview your site to make sure links go where you expect. And keep your sections tidy by grouping related elements together. Repeat this same process to create as many subpages as your site needs, keeping your Card project organized and easy to navigate.